Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. Up first, it's Berry Besties. Isn't that a great name for fabric? I think that's a great name for a line. So of course you have all your strawberries because it is strawberry season. And look at that. And when we ordered these, we were okay, you can do a lot of things with these, okay? But we were very specifically thinking the dish mats. So fat quarter, fat quarter, fat quarter around. So get 3 half yards and you can make 2 and it's gonna be so cute. Or placemats or anything. Berry Besties. Okay, then we're actually remaking the Freya Quilt Kit. And we're using, there's the pattern, Freya Quilt, okay? And here's the fabric. This is BoHo Haven by Fancy That Design House for Moda. There is a mock-up of it in the email. Mink is your background. It looks really cool, guys, in the computer, so it's gonna be amazing. You should get that now. Oh, and we're making the lap size, which is 58 by 68-ish, approximately. We're going over here. We have some school 108s for you. So we have Indiana University, the Ohio State University, and the University of Cincinnati. This is like a cheater print, so it's got all sorts of different stuff on it there. Okay, so those are your 108s. So t-shirt quilts, this is good backing. And then we have more 108s over here. We're gonna just mosey on around. Go around the roundabout. I drive like 12 roundabouts a day, guys, like actual ones. Okay, then we have super fun dot 108. If your top is multicolored, this is great. I fell in love with this, so we had to buy it. Of course, snowflakes, because hi, and who doesn't love buffalo check? No one I know. Okay. That's all the new stuff for today. We do have a show on Sunday, the Fab Stash show. No, yes. I always confuse that. It's at 3 p.m. and we'll be live, Caleb and I. And if you want to be entered to win one of the 2 giveaways on that show, you have to be present on the live to win, and you have to answer this question. The question is, what is your go-to birthday dinner? And I asked this because one of our carpool kids had a birthday, and I was asking her what her meal was going to be. So what is your go-to birthday meal, whether it's like your mom always cooked it or your dad always cooked it or you always went out to a certain place? What is it? What was your order at the restaurant? Whatever. Let us know that and you'll be entered to win one of the 2 giveaways. Until next time, happy quilting. Bye.